There's Ronan on his little scooter. Hey Ronan, how's your new bike treating you? Alright, show us how you go downhill. There you go. Nice balance. You're learning it pretty well. Oh, wow. There you go, you are zooming. Some pretty good bike skills. Are you paying attention to where you're supposed to be going? Are you paying attention? Watch out, use your brake, use your feet. Alright. Okay, slow down, mister. Watch out for the cross traffic. Okay, stop. Well done. Okay, onto the sidewalk. Stop.